check out here is what needs to be replaced. As you can see here, it looks like someone had welded this lateral link together, because the other side does not look the same as it. There it is, right there. Looks like someone welded that lateral link together, so that's going to need to be replaced. Finally got the part in right here. This is the part that's going to be replacing this piece right here. This one specifically. See how it's been welded right there. And so I purchased this part, finally came in, and hopefully that's going to be the last piece that needs to be replaced. Replace the hub. And suspension looks to be straight, may need to be replaced. I guess we'll see right after I replace this last piece right here and go from there. Let's get started. Okay guys, so here's the moment we've been waiting for. Finally gonna put the wheel on and lower this thing down on the ground, see how it stands. Let's do it. Perfect. Look at that. That looks awesome. I am super happy with the results. Of course, it's still going to need to be checked by an alignment shop, and just to make sure everything is perfectly straight. But I am super happy with the results. They look awesome. So next is we're going to get the car started, put the door panel back on, cleaned out in the front, and off to the body shop. Let's go. Make sure you got it plugged in the plug. That goes right over here. I'm not sure if I can show you guys. Right there, there's a little screw that goes in there. It's got a little cap that's in the way. So that goes right. Not a good view. So that won't work. But anyways, screw goes right in there. This goes right here. This is the door handle and the lock. And yeah, door panel's on. Let's go clean out the inside. Okay guys, so the Subi's running and driving. Here it is. Here it is. Finally running and driving. So basically what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to clean out the interior, put it all back together, and get it ready for the frame, I want to call it body shop. Get ready for the body shop. And yeah, let's go. I know you might be thinking, why is the center console taken apart? The insurance does take apart a lot of the parts that it thinks are damaged, just to inspect to see if there is any damage. And center console, actually I took it apart just because when I was replacing the hub, I was thinking it might be easier to replace the whole emergency brake line because it's attached to the hub. But actually I just replaced it inside the hub, and so it wasn't too hard to take this thing apart. I just took a few bolts and it was apart. So now I just gotta put it back together, make sure everything is in good shape, and we're good to go. Okay guys, so that's it for today. I'm done with cleaning the interior of the car, done putting it together. I just do one last round shot just to show you how it looks like. I'm really excited for this car. Next it's going to the body shop. It's going to get the quarter panel worked on and put it all together, then to alignment shop, just get everything, just make sure that everything is perfectly straight. And see you in the next episode, guys.